Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Health Synergy Channel, and today we're going to reveal amazing secrets of ordinary garlic that can change your life. Are you ready to learn how this simple product can become your secret weapon of health? Stay with us until the end, and we guarantee you'll be amazed. Garlic is a true superfood, rich in vitamins and minerals. But that's just the beginning. Did you know that 1 milligram of garlic's active substance equals 15 units of penicillin? Incredible, isn't it? We'll tell you how to maximize this potential at home. In this video, we'll reveal how to properly prepare garlic to get maximum benefits, the secret of making garlic water that works wonders for health, how to make fermented garlic, a long-lasting natural antibiotic, unexpected use of garlic peel that you've always thrown away, but the main surprise awaits you at the end. We'll reveal 2 simple but effective ways to get rid of garlic breath. And no, it's not gum or toothpaste. We'll also discuss how garlic affects the cardiovascular system, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. We'll talk about the right dosages and possible contraindications. So, let's dive into the world of garlic. The first thing you should know is proper preparation. To get the most benefit, finely chop the garlic and leave it for 10 minutes. During this time, the maximum amount of allicin is formed, the very substance that is 15 times stronger than penicillin. Now about garlic water. It's liquid gold for your body. It helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and even blood sugar levels. We'll show you how to easily prepare it at home. Fermented garlic is our secret weapon. It not only preserves all the beneficial properties of fresh garlic, but enhances them. Plus, it can be stored for years. We'll teach you how to make it yourself. Now about the peel. Don't rush to throw it away. Garlic peel decoction is a powerful tool for strengthening immunity and fighting inflammation. We'll tell you how to properly prepare and use it. But remember, even such a super product has its contraindications. We'll definitely discuss them so you can safely enjoy all the benefits of garlic. And now the promised surprise, how to get rid of garlic breath. We'll present 2 simple but incredibly effective methods. The first method is using parsley. Yes, ordinary parsley. After consuming garlic, chew some fresh parsley. But there's an even more powerful remedy. Cloves. It's simply a masterpiece of nature in fighting garlic odor. After consuming garlic, take a couple of clove buds and chew them thoroughly. You'll feel the garlic smell literally dissolving, leaving a pleasant, fresh aroma. Cloves not only eliminate the odor, but also have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to prevent colds. So it's a double benefit. Using these methods, you can enjoy all the benefits of garlic without fear of bad breath. No more awkward situations at work or in public places. With this, we conclude our journey into the amazing world of garlic. We hope this video has opened new horizons for you in using this super product. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Health Synergy channel. Click the bell to not miss our next videos about superfoods and natural health methods. Leave your comments. Tell us which of the presented methods you plan to try. Maybe you have your own secrets of using garlic? Share with us. Remember, health is a synergy of right decisions every day. Join our Health Synergy community and let's create a healthy future together. See you in the next video, friends. Stay healthy with Health Synergy.